Another banger.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm super excited to bring to you today my Prada unboxing. So as you know, if you saw my birthday vlog, I wanted to treat myself to a Prada bag. It was either between Prada or a Dior bag, but I decided to go with Prada, and I came up with the decision because I saw, I believe, Ling Simmons, like she posted like a really cute picture of her Prada bag, and I had looked into it and I saw that they had so many different like fun colors. So I was like, you know what, I think this is going to be my birthday bag, and I've never really done anything for my birthday, and so I wanted to do something different and I wanted to celebrate me. I decided to just get a Prada bag, and today I'm going to do the unboxing with you all. So the angle of the videos might change because of how like my station is set up right now. I don't believe I'll be able to like show you all everything, so I'm just going to shift the camera so we can actually do the unboxing with the camera facing the actual box, if that makes sense. But yeah, so today we're gonna do the unboxing of the Prada bag, and I'm super excited to unbox it. And the reason why I decided to get like a luxury bag is because, one, I feel like I'm really getting at a really good established stage in my life where I wouldn't feel guilty of buying a designer bag. And I definitely wanted to just treat myself in that way. I'm like quick to treat other people, but when it comes to me, I'm kind of like second guessing, like, do we really need that? So that is kind of like why I decided to just really treat myself for my birthday. Another thing is I'm really understanding or really finding out that like my desires and my taste is definitely changing towards certain things. And if I decide, or when the Lord bless me to have like a little girl, it'll be something that she can have for me to pass down to her. So any like luxury item that I get in the near future would definitely be for something of that nature. Like if I have a little girl, I want her to have like a really cool bag to, you know, and her little friends or whatever could talk about it in the future. But I definitely want something that I can pass down to like the next generation, if that makes sense. So that is the purpose of why I decided to get a designer bag. And now we're just going to jump into the unboxing. So if you all remember, like so in the last vlog, you noticed that I was at the Wynn Las Vegas hotel. So the Prada bag that I wanted was definitely not close to the Paris hotel, because you know, on that same street there are a lot of other designer companies, and that Prada store did not have the bag, so I had to go down and set up an appointment at the Wynn Hotel Prada store. So this is my Prada bag right here. This is what they gave me, and it comes with like this really cute decorative bow, and it has Prada on it. And the service there was really good. I really liked the lady. Her name was Angie, and she was really nice. And this is the box that you would get if you decide to like actually go in store and get it or order online. So the box is going to come like this. It's almost like this very like pretty dark blue blackish box here, and it almost looks a little leather, but it's not. The color looks really good, and here you will see like the blue like baby blue Prada logo, and the ribbon, of course, on the front and the back also have Prada on it. So I'm really excited. I'm so excited to like do this unboxing with you all. And like I said, this is my first luxury bag, and yeah, I'm excited. So this here is like my little receipts, and this is the lady that helped me. This is her card. If I want to like go back to Las Vegas and do like another setting with her, I would definitely do that again. And it also comes with my receipt. And I do believe, I don't know if it's like this online as well, where you have 14 days to decide if you want to keep it or not. It's the customer receipt. And now I'm going to get right into the unboxing. OMG, I'm super excited. Like, it's not like I haven't seen it before, but I just get excited about little things. So, all right, so here we go. We're going to unbox it this way. So, it's going like this. I'm gonna keep the Prada ribbon. So this is how it looks without the ribbon on it. And now what I'm going to do is take this off. So now it looks like this. So this is the Prada paper here. So hopefully y'all can see it too. And there is the bag. I'm so excited. Okay, so what I decided to get was the Prada RE-EDITION 2000 nylon mini bag. And this bag is so freaking cute. Like, it's so cute. And the bag is like, it kind of course, like represents my little style. Like, I'm pretty basic when it comes to like handbags, and I love a plain basic bag like this. It has the Prada logo on it. And it also has the Prada RE-EDITION 2000 on the actual tag here. And let's open up here. So it has the paper on the inside. I'm gonna take it out for video purposes, but I'm gonna put it back in because I don't want to lose the shape. But as you can see, it's pretty spacious in there. And we have a couple of things. So we have the authentication card right here, and it looks like this. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. This is so freaking cute. And it has like the date that I actually purchased it. And then this is the front of the card. Y'all, I'm like really excited. Instructions, like what is nylon and like how to like care for it. We have the Prada RFID on here just to show that the product is definitely original. And they use this technology to guarantee that all of the products are very authentic. So when you get your purse, and if you decide to get one as well, these 3 items will come on the inside of your bag. And on the inside of the bag, it is definitely lined with the Prada logo all on the inside of the bag. So I'm not sure if you all could see it, but let me see. You kind of see it right there, and it has the Prada logo right there. And it comes with a closed zipper like so, and it has like this really almost like a U-shape bag to it, and it has a woven handle. So this is definitely like a vibe. It's taking me all the way back to 2000. So this is my birthday gift to myself, and I'm super excited to get it. And I look forward to like pairing a really cute outfit with this. I kind of already have one in mind, but I definitely am excited about my purchase, and I don't regret anything about it, not my experience or anything. So I definitely wanted to come on here and show you all my new Prada bag. I look forward to purchasing more from Prada. And they had like different other colors like pink, red, green, yellow. They have really fun colors, but most of those colors were sold out even online. So I decided to just go with a basic black color. But now that I look online at this very moment, like all of the bags are sold out. So I'm not really sure when they're gonna restock on these, or if they ever going to restock on them like anytime soon. So I'm glad that I was able to get myself a birthday gift. And I'm excited to see what I'm going to get next, because as I said before, I definitely see that my tastes and desires are definitely changing when it comes to certain things in my life and how I see my lifestyle actually projecting forward. So you guys, this is my Prada bag and I love it. And yeah, let me know in the comment section like what you think, and if you are looking forward to getting a Prada bag, like what bag, or even any other designer bag, like what designer bag are you looking forward to getting. So I'm excited. Like I said, I'm literally in my 30s, y'all, and I'm just now getting like my first little designer bag. And like I said before, like I definitely wanted to get myself a bit more established and get my funds like really together before I went out and like did all of this like crazy shopping for like luxury items. So yeah, and now we're here, we're doing good. And the next thing I wanted to show you all is when I went to the Prada store, it was the week of my birthday, and they also gave me another Prada bag, and meaning the store bag, but what's on the actual inside of it is actually, so let's open it together, because he was like, oh, this is a gift for me. So it looks like this is another Prada product, and let's see what kind of product it is. I can't really, see, when it comes to things like this, I really be hating to open the box. I don't know why I'm like it. But let's see. Okay, so look at this, y'all. This is actually some chocolate. I was gifted some Prada chocolate during the time of my purchase, and this is what it looks like. And like on the back, it has all of the different chocolates there. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is so cute. Okay, so this is the card that comes in the chocolate, and I do believe you probably can purchase these in the store, but he actually, it was another guy that was like a manager there, and he actually gifted me the different assorted chocolates. So I really love the packaging. And so you can literally pick them up, and they come in this clear little box of mini chocolates. So this is really, really cute. I literally had no idea, I wasn't expecting it to be like mini chocolates like this. So it is so cute. So as you all can see, I had a really, really good birthday, and it smells so good. It smells so good. It's chocolate, so, but yeah. So, okay, you guys, this is it. This is all the items that I got from Prada, and I'm really pleased with everything that I purchased. And I am just really blown away of like how cute the packaging is. And you all know, you all know, like, I'm a really like sucker for gold, and I just love all of the gold packaging here that's going on. All right, you guys, so this is my Prada unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to doing more like luxury unboxings in the future. So let me know in the comment section below like what you think, if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace.